OBS Studio and Streamlabs. They are both amazing streaming software suites. However, which one should you be using to manage your streams? Let's find out. Alright, we're jumping into OBS now, and honestly, OBS is probably one of my favorite tools to use. Like, it's amazing. So, it's completely free, first of all, making it accessible for anybody that's on a budget. Being open source, it also allows for community-driven plugin development, which is fantastic. You can set up multiple scenes with different layouts, including overlays, screen captures, live camera feeds, and a whole bunch more. This is really ideal for streamers and presenters. OBS Studio is built for live streaming to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live. It offers high quality broadcast settings, and you can set all of these individual platforms up within OBS, which is fantastic. So you can go ahead and just set it up, and all you need to do is push start stream every single time you want to stream, and it's already set up. Also, you can control your audio levels for multiple sources in real time. It supports filters like noise suppression, gain adjustment, and a whole bunch more. Trust me, it's amazing. OBS Studio is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it versatile for pretty much every type of user. You can also leverage community-created plugins, as I mentioned earlier on, to expand OBS's capabilities from advanced transitions to productivity-boosting tools. One or two of the drawbacks, it may come as a surprise, but they have no editing tools. So OBS kind of lacks that built-in editing functionality, so you will need separate software to polish off your recordings. That is kind of the only one thing that I can really think of. Otherwise, OBS is amazing. We're looking at Streamlabs, and Streamlabs is an all-in-one desktop suite. Now, this may be different to some of the browser-based suites that we've had a look at, but it is an OBS-based video capture with the integrated widgets, alerts, overlays, and chat management, unified all into one app for Windows and for Mac. You can go live on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, and pretty much anywhere else simultaneously with a single click. You can access hundreds of free and premium overlays via their Streamlabs Ultra to build professional, fully branded streams that actually stand out. You can also add guests via a shareable link, or you can use your mobile device as an additional camera with Collab Cam for dynamic interactive broadcasts. It's great for gaming broadcasts, live podcasts, product launches, educational webinars, and influencer content. It is OBS powered and it's simplified. So the deep scene control plus the user-friendly UI has a built-in monetization setup that reduces the whole setup complexity. You can stream to Twitch, YouTube, Kick, Trovo, and custom RTMP destinations for maximum flexibility. And the last thing over here is that you can switch between streaming, recording, editing, and clip creation all in one unified suite. And there we go. If you are looking to stream, then one of these two choices will be a great fit for you. The takeaway is to go ahead and use multiple software suites to find out which is a best fit. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.